Hi guys, so now we will learn about what is versioning in the development. Okay, so each day you see there is a new release of an application or a software, right? And you may see something like this, okay, uh, like this 1.0.1, right? So what this is? Right. You may be thinking about like what they are, how will someone think about like this is a new release and this is the new number. So first one over here is the major changes. So if you see the OS or macOS, they release every year a new major change, right? They update this to a new version, okay? And if there are some minor changes that they do, then they update this or increment this in a sequential manner. And this is for like small patch or a bug that they had in a code. So let's start. So whenever a code is released, they start from 0.0.1, and then if there is any small change, then they increase the value of the last one. If there is a minor change, then they increase the value of the second one like this 0.1. Okay. And if there is a major change, so they updated everything, you know, and this look is like new to the world. Then they do then they change this one to major changes 1.0.0. Okay, so this is the way how they create a new release number and how you can make into your code the major, minor, or a bug fixer and increment the values there. Okay, so let's create a new repository. Okay, to do that, and I'll help you out in how you can create or and release a new version on GitHub and how we can do the changes on poetry. Okay, so right now I'm creating it on poetry. So poetry new version queue. Okay, so it will create a new repository for me. Okay, and if I go to version queue, okay, and poetry shell to activate poetry. Okay, and inside that if I go and there you see we have the version 0.1.0. Okay, and you added something in a code. Let's assume you created some functions. Okay, py, and you created a function to print. Okay, and here I will add some small print new release. Okay, so and we can add the doc string that is helpful for everyone to understand. This function is to print new release. That's it. Okay. And now let's create a new branch. Okay. To create a new branch, what you need to do is let's check how many branches we have it. Get branch. So we have main and testing. Okay. And I want to create a new branch. Okay. Get checkout hyphen b. Okay, and then we are adding it logging. Okay, so logging. So we have a new branch now on logging, and if I see where we are, so we are in logging branch. Okay, so let's add everything that we have it here. Okay, so create. And let's before doing any commit, let's change this release version from 1.0 to 1.1. Okay, and let's do this. So git commit hyphen m. Okay, and then here what we want, what we are doing, we are adding a new feature. Okay, version 2, and then I will push it. So it says me that it's a new branch. You need to push it in this way. Okay, and this is the way I push it. So my code will be pushed into new branch now. Okay, so now we change the version over here. Okay, and we already pushed this code to GitHub. Now let's check it out on a GitHub. Okay, so you see we have a new GitHub branch over here. Let's create a pull request. Okay, and after this, okay, I will, this is for, this is for adding versioning to the code. Okay, so I'm just adding it in this way, but there again are some more, there are many ways to do this. Okay, and I'm not adding a lot of details for now. Okay, and reviewer, I'll be not adding it, but assignee I can edit to myself. Okay, and label, so what we are adding, we are creating a new feature, so enhancement. Okay, and we will create a new pull request, and you can see we'll able to merge it to the main without any issues. Okay, so we created a pull request now. Okay, so we can add new more rules, like there must be a one reviewer before we merge, and like that. Okay, and what we want is create a merge commit. Okay, and we can commit to the main. Okay, I did a commit over here. Okay, I want this branch that we created to be deleted. Okay, and if I go to the code now, okay, okay, now we are here on our branch on a GitHub. Okay, and we'll create a new release. So to create a new release, we need to create a new tag first. So name it as 0.1.1, the same as we have it on our poetry. Okay, and you can name it same. Okay. And you see here, as we created the branch and we merged it, so you will be able to see and generate this one. Okay, so it says me that what change you did. Okay, and at your first contribution. Okay, and you can see the change log. Okay, and we just click this and we'll able to create a new release. Cool, right? Very easy to do this. And if I go to release now, you can see my tag there. Okay, and you can see the changes that we did. Okay, I hope you liked it, and thank you for watching.